Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, you want to hold power button and volume up, which will bring up boot options, and here select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power button and the volume down, and this will take us to the bootloader. Now when you see the screen, bootloader screen, you can immediately let go of both of the buttons. Now in here you will need to use volume buttons to navigate to the options. Each option will be visible one by one right here where start is right now. So we have start, then we have restart bootloader, which brings us back to here. Recovery mode, power off, barcodes, bootloader logs, and we're back to start. Now whenever you have option visible right here that you want to utilize, press power button. Now for me that's going to be start, so that's what I want to select so I can get back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.